Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be a successful person. Successful usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubt of today. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Success is walking from failure to failure with no loss of authenticism. The way to get started is to quit talking and being doing. I find that the harder I work, the more luck I seem to have. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. The only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary. Success is not in what you have, but who you are.